Are your reports just boring, static numbers on a screen? What if you could transform them into dynamic, lightning-fast data applications that your team actually wants to use? Welcome to the complete NonTechieGuide course. We're skipping the heavy tech jargon to show you the real magic. You'll learn how to make your charts interact, build hidden backstage menus, create brilliant pop-up insights, and optimize everything flawlessly for mobile. Stick around until the end of this video, because you're about to level up from a basic chart builder to a true data architect. Let's dive in. Let's stop just presenting numbers and start designing journeys. Your reports should tell a story, moving from static charts with faded numbers to dynamic, engaging data apps with a highly intuitive design. To succeed, you need to use smart sorting that follows human logic, not alphabetical lists. Understand your data hierarchies. Navigate from categories down to product names. Finally, master the interactive controls. Drill down to go deeper, expand all to reveal everything, and always use that drill up escape hatch handy. Did you know your charts aren't isolated islands? In modern reports, they instantly connect. By default, clicking a data point on one chart highlights related data in the others, dimming the irrelevant details so you can easily compare specific performance against the overall picture. But you don't have to stick to the defaults. You can step into the director's chair and edit these interactions. You choose whether visuals highlight, filter, or disconnect completely. Taking control of these settings not only improves visual clarity and accessibility, but it significantly boosts your report's performance. Imagine having to reapply the same complex filters and drill downs every single Monday just to see your key metrics. Digital bookmarks solve this by capturing the exact state of your report, letting you instantly jump to your perfect view with just one click. Always start by creating a default view so you have a safe baseline to return to. Best of all, bookmarks let you ditch static PowerPoint slides. You can present your findings directly within the report, keeping your data completely alive and interactive so you can answer executive questions on the fly. Welcome to the backstage magic of report building. Using the selection pane, you can control exactly what your audience sees by easily toggling the visibility of charts, text, and shapes. To keep your workspace organized and maintain your sanity, use the grouping feature to collapse multiple visual elements into a single, manageable folder. Finally, bridge the gap for your users by adding simple buttons and bookmark navigators to create professional, dynamic menus that silently do the heavy lifting in the background. Let's uncover the deep insights of your data without cluttering the screen. First, enhance your basic tooltips by adding extra metrics directly into the standard hover box. For advanced magic, you can build tooltip pages, mini, highly contextual reports that pop up and only calculate when you hover, keeping your main dashboard lightning fast. Finally, transition into a true data architect by snapping your existing visuals into a dedicated mobile layout for perfectly optimized on-the-go viewing. We successfully transformed our static reports into dynamic, interactive data journeys. First, we organized our data hierarchies and applied smart, logical sorting. Then we made our charts talk to each other by seamlessly editing their interactions. We captured perfect, repeatable views using bookmarks and built smooth navigational buttons to effortlessly guide our users. Finally, we delivered deep, contextual insights through rich tooltip pages and optimized our layouts for mobile viewing. Through this journey, we officially became true data architects.